outside, so it's kind of loud right now. I'll pull up the window a little bit. So I'm in the WRX right now, chilling. Oh my god, busy day today. I don't know if you guys can hear the turbo spool or not, but it's pretty sick. Yeah, I give it a little taste right here. It might be windy, but it sounds really good. Watch this. It's like the open down pipe right there. Woo. IETs are really cold right now. Feels so much faster at night. Got that little Ford Fiesta right there. Is that a cop or no? Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be any cool cars right now, but where are you going, champ? Come on now. It's so hard to like shift and steer with like one hand, man. I'm practicing right now. See, can I go this way? Yep, I can go this way. So with the open like J pipe, can really feel the lag, but actually on upper high RPMs, it actually pulls pretty hard on upper high RPMs. Because before it used to like flatten down, but it's a little bit better. But with the stock tune, it's not really that good like that. Because like the exhaust gas just like shooting out like that without any direction. So that's why you feel the lag.